Hello children. Children, last week we have done lesson number 5, that is the noun of English 1. In lesson number 5, the noun, we have learnt about what is a noun and the different kinds of noun. That is proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, material noun and collective noun. I hope children you all have seen the video and you have completed your work in your English 1 books as well as copies. Today we are going to start with a new lesson of English 1, that is material noun. So take out your English 1 books, take out page number 115. Page number 115. On page number 115 we are going to start with lesson number 25, that is material nouns. Children, we have already studied about material nouns in lesson number 5, where we have learnt about all those different kinds of nouns, like I told you now itself: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, collective noun and material noun. Now in this lesson we are going to study again about the material nouns. So before we do the exercises, let me explain you material nouns in detail. Children, as I told you about material nouns, that material nouns are the name of materials, things or substances from which things are made. Or you can say material nouns are the raw materials. What are they? Raw materials. Material nouns are the raw materials from which things are made. Material nouns are the names of materials, things or substances from which things are made. Or you can say they are the raw materials from which things are made. Now these material nouns, children, they do not refer to people or places. In material nouns, we never talk about people or places. We only talk about the materials or things. What comes in the category of material nouns? Only materials or things. People or places are not a part of material nouns. And these material nouns, they are uncountable nouns. What are they? They are uncountable nouns. Means the nouns which cannot be counted. Material nouns are the nouns which cannot be counted, or you can say material nouns are uncountable nouns. Like for example, let me give you an example of material nouns. Like suppose I have written here gold bangles, gold necklace, gold earrings. Now children, here bangles, necklace and earrings, and you can see the word gold is written along with these words. Means the bangles are made of gold, necklace is made of gold, earrings are made of gold. So you can write it like this: gold jewelry. Means all this jewelry is made with gold. So what is gold here? Gold is the raw material here. Gold is the raw material here. So this gold is, which is the raw material, that is a material noun. That is a material noun, because with this gold the things are made. The bangles are made, necklaces are made, earrings are made. So this gold is a material, or you can say it is a raw material with which all this jewelry is made. So gold is a material noun. Now I will give you one more example related to material nouns. Just for example, cotton dress, woolen cap, silk sari, leather jacket. Now you can see here, children, dress. This dress is made of what? Cotton. Sari. This sari is made of what? Silk. Cap. Cap is made of what? Wool. Jacket is made of what? Leather. Understood? Dress is made of cotton. Sari is made of silk. Jacket is made of leather. And cap is made of wool. So, all these things like cotton, wool, silk, leather, all these, what are they called? Material nouns. What are they called? Material nouns. Because with these things, the dress is made, cap is made, sari is made, and jacket is made. So these are called material nouns. Now children, I want to tell you that we get material nouns from various sources. We get material nouns from various sources. Which are those sources? Let me see. Sources of material nouns. They are nature, animals, and plants. We get material nouns from nature, animals, and plants. All these raw materials with which things are made, these we get from, some we get from nature, some we get from plants, and some we get from animals. Understood? Now let me give you example related to all these sources of material nouns. Like material nouns from nature. Now which are the materials which we get from nature, children? Like gold, silver, iron, coal, copper. All these are the materials which we get from nature. Like with gold, silver, iron, coal, copper. With gold jewelry is made, silver utensils are made, and jewelry is also made. Understood? So all these things are the material nouns which we get from nature. Now let's see some examples related to animals. Material nouns from animals. Now children, which are the things which we get from animals? Like honey we get from honeybee, eggs we get from hen, silk we get from silkworm, then milk we get from cows, wool we get from sheep. So like this, there are so many things which we get from animals. Like with honey also things are made, with eggs also some things are made, silk also, silk clothes are made, milk also, milk products are made, with wool also so many woolen clothes are made. So these are the raw materials which we get from animals. Now the material nouns from plants. Which are the material nouns, children, which we get from plants? Like coffee, cotton. Cotton we get from plants, and with that cotton what is made? Cotton clothes are made. Wood we get from trees. And that wood is used to make furniture and so many other things. Tea, rubber. Rubber also is used to make so many things. Coconut oil we get from coconut. Coconut is also a material noun with which coconut oil is made. So these are the material nouns which we get from plants. Now children, there are some man-made material nouns. There are some man-made material nouns, means those materials which are made by man. Which are those? Like bricks, cement. Bricks we get from rocks, cement. Butter we get from milk, these are man-made. Ghee also we get from milk products. Then cheese we get from milk. So all these are the man-made material nouns. So which are the main sources of material nouns? Nature, animals, plants, and there are some material nouns which are made by man, or you can say man-made material nouns. So children, till here I will explain you in this video. In the next video, I will give you some more examples related to material nouns, and the explanation will continue in the next video. Thank you.